Animations. We need some sort of way to complete this level. I want to have crates lying around that can be destroyed, and one of them will have a key. The less crates remaining means a higher chance to drop the key. Let's start by making an image of the crate. Then create an object for it. Place some crates in the room. Try to spread them around so we get to see most of the room. In our key sprite, we would like an animation to draw attention towards it. I start by reducing the image size. In the top you can see the images that belongs to this sprite. So far we have only had one image each sprite, but now we want multiple to create an animation. I create 3 frames by copying the first and then insert it. Click on the middle image and let's make it half black and white under Effects and Grayscale. Set it to 50%. Do the same for the third image, but set the intensity to 90% instead. Finally, we copy the middle image and move it to the last spot. Then we get a smooth animation with the image starting at full color, fades a bit out, becomes gray, fades in again, and then repeats from the beginning. Click on play to preview the animation based on your room speed. Remember to set origin to center. Now we can create the object for the key and write the game is complete if it has collision with our character. We can see the animation of the key, and if we walk into it, we'll complete the game. We can change the animation speed with image_speed. It is by default 1, so let's reduce it to 0.1. That means 10% of the default. Let's now make the crates vulnerable to our bullets. Start by giving the crates hit points. It can be achieved the same way as we give our enemies hit points by setting the variables max hit points and hit points. Unfortunately, we cannot set the crates parents to our enemies parents, as that would mean the crates inherits the health bar and drops blood when shot. That wouldn't make sense here. Instead, we need a separate collision event in our bullets object. We can copy most of the code from our collision with the enemy's parent and remove the parts we don't want, for example blood effects, sound effects, and hits on zombies. Now we just need to figure out a way for the key to spawn when a crate is destroyed, but it must only spawn sometimes. Let's make a destroy event in our crates object and use the function instance number with the object itself as input. This will determine how many crates are left. We then check if a random number between 1 and the amount of crates left is equal to 1. If it is, then we spawn our key. We can add a small effect as well. That means if we have 8 crates in total, the first crate have 1 in 8 chance to spawn a key. 1 divided by 8 is 12.5%. The next crate would have 1 in 7 chance as we have now destroyed a crate already. That is 14.3% chance. The chance keeps increasing until we only have 1 crate left, which always have a 100% chance. Then the player can always complete the level. In the game, we must now keep shooting the crates until we find the key. In the next lesson, we take a look at how we can limit our vision to only show part of the screen.